Homemade mayonnaise or homemade salad cream is what we are making today. Welcome to this channel where I share with you how to make simple, traditional Ghanaian and intercontinental recipe. Make sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday. The list of the items and the correct measurements will be listed down in the description, so kindly check it out. And welcome if you're new to this channel. To make your mayonnaise, you will need some eggs, and in it I'm adding in some salt and sugar. I'm gonna add in some vinegar, but you can use lemon juice in making it. Now I'm going to whisk it with my hand mixer for some time before adding in the oil. After blending it for at least 2 minutes, I'll start by adding in the oil, and the oil should not be added at once. Add it little by little and continue blending it. Now you can use the blender in making your homemade mayonnaise or salad cream by following the same steps I am giving you out here. Little by little should you add the oil. Do not add the oil at once. So using the hand mixer in making the mayonnaise, it took me like 8 to 10 minutes before getting the correct or the consistency that I'm going in for. But you can whisk it or you can blend it further like 10 minutes or 12 minutes to get that thick mixture or thick consistency that you want. So after watching this video, I would be very much glad if you share this video out to your family and friends, and also to all your social media platforms, because someone out there might need this, and it is very quick and very easy to make with our basic ingredients in our kitchen. After about 7 to 8 minutes, you realize the mixture has thickened up. Now the consistency that you want depends on you, and this is what I want, and I use this in making my salad. In fact, my homemade Ghana salad. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Always remember to do everything in love. And whenever you think food, think yummy cash. Not forgetting the best place to be is where the chef loves to eat. Cheers!